Before you buy that land and you don't want any future regrets, listen to this little thing which I will be sharing in this particular video. To prevent that future regrets, you, the buyer, need to investigate the following. But most of the time, I know you watching me, it's only this first one you will do, which is what they call the title search. You see a property you like, you bring a surveyor to the site, the surveyor pick the coordinates, or they give you the title of the land, which is the CFO. You take it to, in Lagos, it's in Ikeja, in Alausa. You go and check and verify the ownership of that property. And also to check if there's any outstanding liens or any claim against the property. Most of the time, that is where we stop, but that is not all. The second thing which I think you should be doing too is the property inspection. I know some people might not really see it as important, but let me tell you why it's important. This is when you check the physical condition, especially when you're buying house. Check at the structural system, you check at the component, you identify if there's any damage or if there's a maintenance issue. It is very, very important. Another thing you look at is the environmental assessment. This is when you evaluate the environment risks that is also associated to that particular property. Let's say the presence of hazardous material, let's say, or any contamination in that area. Look at the area as a whole. For instance, you going to build a house beside Dangote Refinery, because Dangote Refinery is there on your own. You're on your own. The next thing I want to talk about is the zoning and the land use. This is when you examine the local regulation and the land use restriction that is applied to that particular property to ensure that you use that property for the intended purpose. Remember, by understanding this, you will gain clear understanding of that property value and also make you to understand the risks that is also associated to that particular property. It will also help you in the negotiation and also ensure that the transaction is completed successfully. Listen, this diligence is not about you not to proceed. If you have this information, you can sit down and cross your leg and say, yes, with this fact I have here, then let's negotiate properly. So this is what I'm sharing in this video. Stay to the next video as we proceed. There's more. Make sure you watch this video to the end though. I have step-by-step guide on what you need to do. And I hope you have your pen and paper. Let's go to the next video.